you can see by this display, there's a student camera as the student is presenting. That can appear anywhere on the screen in a mortise. There's a track view capability. This is a tracking camera when the presenter steps away from the podium. A tracking camera follows them. The presenter pod is this tiny unit here. This is the presenter pod, that's what it's called. This little point here is a sensing device that adjusts the camera shot for the presenter when they're at this position. The pod allows for the adjustment. You can bring the presenter full screen, you can bring the multimedia full screen, you can put them into various presets. One side of this is the output of the computer. The other side is the output of a ceiling mounted document camera up here. For demonstration purposes, they have the flat screens in the back to show what the camera is, what the output of the camera is displaying. As you can see, I'm being tracked now with, I'm not wearing a lavalier microphone or anything, and now I'm back at the pod and I'm framed full frame. He spoke about student stations. This would be good for the electronic classrooms. When a student depresses this question microphone, they become framed by one of these actually by one of the front cameras. This is the VID00199VaddioDemo PTC camera that frames the students or the audience. And these tracking cameras in the back. One grabs an image of the motion and changes in pixels, and that allows the capture camera to track a moving person. Over here is the auto presenter, which allows you, I think they said something like 72 presets. It's rack mounted. Certainly takes up very little space. And for the speech recording portion of this project, what I've shown you is more than adequate. I'm going to do a second recording of the whiteboard capture.